Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Today is a very special video. It is called For the Boys. It's a collaboration of friends. And the friends who are there are Marika's Creations, Elizabeth at Dandysoap DIY, Pat's Homecrafts, Craft, Country Girls Addict, Susan Gazaway DIY, Elena Jenkins DIY, and me. So anyway, we are challenged to make something for guys for a change, be it a grown-up guy or a young kid. So I decided to make the hubby a little fun thing. Got the dollar store classic car calendar. And I buy all kinds of unusual things, and I bought these maps quite a while ago, and I was trying to decide what map did I want to do, and it came down to, a route maybe people would travel a lot, and I went, how about Arizona? And it would be Route 66. Of course, Route 66 goes all the way across the country from Chicago to California. But it was a little bit famous in Arizona. Now I have this 16 by 20 canvas. It's a flat canvas, hard canvas. So I cut the map to size, and I'm going to Mod Podge it on. So anyway, Route 66 was a major road many, many years ago, but in the early 1960s, President Eisenhower decided we needed a interstate freeway system. So the interstate freeway system took over, got built, and it bypassed all the little towns that Route 66 went through. And it's still there, and people will still go on rides on it, but doesn't really list it on the map anymore. It's still very historic, but a lot of the cute motels and diners and gas stations just kind of faded away because nobody stopped at them anymore. Oh, excuse my fat arm there. Anyway, so I'm pressing this down to get it in place. Now, if I have thicker paper, I'll use Mod Podge. And this was pretty thick, so it stayed down really nicely. Anyway, so now I'm Mod Podging over the top of it. And because I decided to use Arizona, I had a real good inspiration for the project. I cut the calendar to size, what I wanted to size. Love this paper cutter. And there was a piece of thinner cardboard in the packet with the calendar, and so I decided to use that and mount the car picture. By the way, this is a 1967 Mustang, and my husband loves Fords and Mustangs. So instead of Mod Podging, because it's such thin paper and it would just be a mess on the calendar page, I decided to use a glue stick. So I just plastered that piece of cardboard with the glue stick. And it went down much, much nicer. So I'm putting Mod Podge on the other side of it. And I'm gluing it down at the bottom. So it's covering up the lower Arizona and New Mexico. And I'm putting Mod Podge over the top of it. I went, aha! Last time I was down there in Grand Canyon in Arizona, I took my friend from England to the Grand Canyon, and we went by train from Williams to Grand Canyon, and we drove part of Route 66. And in Williams, they've got a lot of cute places about Route 66. So I bought this cute little postcard. My sister lives in Arizona, but I didn't get to see her on that trip. Okay, so I'm trying to learn how to use that Cricut, and I'm weeding out some of the vinyl. Okay. And I trimming it so I get the words on straight. I got some contact paper I got from Dollar Tree, so I can put that on my letters and mount them on. And just kind of trying to get it straight. So anyway, I got it down, and you can see what it says: get your kicks on. Now I'm pulling the vinyl off. Everybody says to pull slow, so I'm trying. So I take a piece, and I took this contact paper and I put it on my clothes. Everybody says put it on your clothes, so don't do it too many times, and it's not quite as sticky as it should be. But do it a little bit so it's not overly sticky. It took me quite a bit to get the letters to stick to it. But when I put them down, it stuck to the projects really well. Okay, I'm putting that right toward the bottom of the Grand Canyon. Trying to decide where I want it. Line up the T in the middle. Now, if you don't know what Get Your Kicks on Route 66 is, it's a song Nat King Cole sang. There's a few songs about Route 66. And I'll show you a famous town on the map that's in a song about standing on a corner in Winslow, Arizona. Okay, you can see Phoenix there, and you move straight up to Phoenix and that road that's going across. There's the Grand Canyon, and you can see Williams, Flagstaff, and here we're coming to Winslow. Okay, I was trying to put a hanger on the back and all the batteries on the glue gun died. So I'm just going to show you the poster or the picture, and it's all done. And you can see I mounted a little red Corvette on the picture. I think it turned out really cute. And I think the hubby likes it, because he likes classic cars. There's the Corvette. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate everybody that comes back and watches my videos. If you hit the bell, you can know when I'm going to do a new video. Okay, bye for now.